Hello there, Crafties. Thanks for stopping by. I'm just getting some things cut out for my collage, so why don't you get your stuff ready to join in with me. This is the hashtag CWPlanner, so I'm on week number 29, and the prompts that they're calling to incorporate into this collage are something that begins with the letter N, some kind of object, something. I've got some scrap piece of paper here, and the first word, nature, is kind of reaching right out at me there. So I've got nature. There's North Carolina showing up here. So I got a couple of N words I can use. Let's see what else. A piece of a postcard. And I went on and made my own postcard. So I've got that to include in there. A piece of a coloring page, a couple different things. I've got a San Diego color page, a clock here that can be used as color page, some kind of washi stickers or something that could always be used as a color page. So I like to have color pages on my projects, makes it interactive. Let's see what else. A measurement of some sort. I was thinking 12 feet. I wrote out 12. We got the pixel count here that comes off the print pages. That's measurement. Something of a geometric shape that's not rectangular. And I've got an 012 by 12 print here. It's got a nice turquoise paisley print, so that's going to work just right. And then for the bonus round, bing, 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 the bonus round needs something to represent summer. I've got some printables here by Vintage by Me. I like your printables, and I'm looking at some flowers, or I thought about a bicycle. They both represent summer. So let's see if we can get this kind of laid out to look like a little something something. So I've got a North Carolina map. I'm thinking about, that's going to drive me crazy if I've got to put it in the opposite direction, but I don't know. I might just leave it there. We'll see. All right, so the summer thing we said was the bike. I don't know if I want to leave both of those there. We'll see. Don't really need to do any inking because I used blue, and you can probably see that showing up on some of my pages there. Ink gets everywhere. All right, so the N, we got a couple of the, I'm thinking about for the postcard to stick the stick North Carolina on there. All right, so the N words, a piece of the postcard. Oh, you know what? The postcard would look nice just kind of showing up by the travel. Yeah. Okay. I'll do that. North Carolina under. I need a dark color under there so it can pop. The measurement. Do I want both of those tags or just the bicycle? Yeah, I don't think I need both of them. Okay. You can't see my paisley though. Well, you know it's in there. It's the foundation. I think I'll just do one of the tags because the second one isn't really about summer. All right. I'm thinking that should do it. Something's missing. All right. The In Nature, North Carolina, postcard, color page. Oh, okay, color page. That's what I was thinking. So one of the washies, or either the clock. I'm thinking the clock could kind of help. Let's see if I did that. Maybe, I don't know. I think something like that can work. Yeah. Yeah. I need my little cutter. I think that'll work. I'll see what that looks like.